Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself and my friends to you. My name is Sintiya Rahayu, and my friends there are Cici Syamsiyah, Farda Nurulaini, Fayza Arofah, Muhammad Rio, Rena Rahmayanti, and Sakila Saraswati. We are from the fourth group, and today we want to present about Pharma 2020 from vision to decision. Okay, I won't talk too much. The next step will be presented by my friend.
About the Pharma 2020 series, the pharmaceutical industry long successful strategy of placing big bands on a few molecules, promoting them healthily and turning them into blockbusters work well very many years. But its R&D productivity has not plummeted and the environment changing.
PwC believes that 7 major trends are reshaping the marketplace. The first, instances of chronic disease are increasing, placing a particular pressure on already stretched healthcare budget. The second, healthcare policy market and flyer increasingly mandating what doctor can prescribe. The third, a growing number of healthcare players and measuring the pharmacoeconomic performance of different medicines. A widespread use of electronic medical record will give them data they need to instant
Okay, let's
on
go to the trend number 4.
outcome
Boundaries
message
between
pressure.
different forms of healthcare are blurring, as clinical absence render previously fatal disease chronic, and the self-medication sector expands. 5. Demand for medicine is growing more rapidly in the emerging economy than the industrialized economy. 6. Governments are beginning to focus on prevention rather than treatment, although they have not yet invested very much in preemptive measures. And the last trend, regulators are becoming more cautious about offering truly innovative medicine. This trend will compound the challenges pharma already face, but they also provide some major opportunity.
Industry challenges. Tomorrow's challenge is to develop new medicine that can prevent to cure chronically curable disease. Today's challenge is to get to tomorrow that, and that's all order it itself. 1. Pricing customer expectation. The commercial environment is dragging harvest, and healthcare players import new concern and healthcare provider and quick time. The follow medicine are much more careful. They want new therapy that are clinically and economically better than the existing alternative. Together with hard, real-world outcome data to back and claim about a medicine superiority. 2. For scientific productivity. Pharma's output has remained at a stable level for the past decade, using the same discovering and developing process. There is little reason to think its productivity will suddenly soar. 3. Culture clarity. The profiling management culture, mental models, and strategies on which the industry relies are the same one it's traditionally relied on, even though they have been excluded by new way of doing business.
Market opportunities. What decisions should you make to successfully launch into 2020? In some respect, Pharma's never had it so good. The tools to develop remarkable new medicine are materializing. Demand for its product is escalating and trade is getting easier. Collectively, the mature market generates 59% of the total revenues, but they are becoming more difficult place where to prosper. They are demanding better outcome as a precondition for paying for a new medicine. Financial pressure have played a part in hardening healthcare payers' policies. Cursing demographic and epidemiological factors have compounded this economic.
Advance. The global pharmaceutical market could be worth nearly $1.6 trillion by 2020. Demand for medicine is rising rapidly in the growth market. The middle class is spending. Big pharmas using for strategies in the growth markets. New forms of medical intervention are in the pipeline. The context in which pharma operation has changed dramatically.
Thank you for listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.